Welcome to the Dakota 6 Cube Organizer assembly video. In this video, we'll show you how to assemble the Dakota 6 Cube Organizer using a unique connector designed to keep things simple. First, we'll need a rubber mallet to fit the components together and a hammer for attaching the back panels. Next, let's take a look at the hardware included with the 6 Cube Organizer. Each organizer is assembled with a unique connector designed to expand and permanently fasten the wood components together. Therefore, the connectors must be inserted as shown into the holes of the components before assembly. Finishing nails are included to attach the back panels to your organizer once the unit is fully assembled. An anti-tip kit is also included to secure your organizer safely to the wall. For this, you'll need additional tools, such as a screwdriver or drill. Now, let's review the components included in your organizer. A bottom and a top panel, 2 side panels, 2 fixed shelves, 1 vertical divider, and 3 back panels. Let's begin. First, interlock part C into the slots of parts D by pushing down until both components are flush. Next, place a connector into each hole on the ends of parts D. There are 4 holes in total. Taking parts A, align the holes of this component to the connectors inserted into part D. Once aligned, use a rubber mallet to firmly tamp part A to part D. Place the remaining connectors into each hole on the ends of parts A and C. There are 16 holes in total. Taking parts B, align the holes of this component to the connectors inserted into parts A and C. Once aligned, use a rubber mallet to firmly tamp parts B to parts A and C, working from one end of the organizer to the other. Your organizer is nearly assembled. Use a hammer to install the back panels with the nails included. And that's it! Your 6 Cube Organizer is now assembled. For information on securing your unit to the wall, please watch the anti-tip video.